Hi, welcome to Cafe de Loner's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my it's called cilantro lime rice, and this is just so easy. If you guys kind of like getting tired of the plain rice, steamed rice, I should say, this is something kind of unique. So these are all the ingredients that we have it here. First, our 1 cup of rice. It's already rinsed it off. And then we're gonna need a 2 cups of water, chopped garlic, fresh chopped cilantro, and then we're gonna use olive oil, and then we're gonna use chicken bouillon, but we're just gonna use half of this, and then lime zest and lime juice. And let's start it. Alright, so we're gonna start making our cilantro lime rice. So let's just turn on our stove to medium heat. So now we're gonna start putting our olive oil. So now we're gonna add our chopped garlic. Okay. Let's just saute the garlic until it's kind of like a little bit light brown. And then we're gonna add our 1 cup of rice. Okay, it's almost turned light brown. We have to be careful cooking the garlics. Sometimes it could easily get burned, so you have to keep our eyes. Alright, so now let's just add our rice. Okay. I'm also like gonna put our chicken bouillon, but we're just like, as I said, we're just like gonna use half of it. We don't need to use the whole thing. Whoops, sorry. Mix them in there just to make sure it's get melted in our rice. Just keep sauteing it. This rice, it's really good with fish, anything actually, like pork, chicken, but I like more the best in the fish. Okay, so after we mix the chicken bouillons in our rice, we're gonna start putting our 2 cups of water. It's almost melted. Okay, and then after we put our water in it, we're going to cover it until it gets fully cooked. Alright, so our rice, our chicken bouillon, it's melted. So now we're gonna add our 2 cups of water. Alright, and then we're gonna cover it for about like 3 minutes, and then the next thing we're gonna add is our cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna cover it now. Okay. Okay, so like after 3 minutes, we're gonna stir it. I turned down a little bit low our stove. So now we're gonna add our cilantro, a lot of cilantro. Okay, just mix all in. Okay, and then lastly, the lime zest. Getting the lime zest, have to be careful. We don't want like the white skin in it because that's kind of like bitter. We just need the top one. Alright, I think this is all enough. So now we're gonna need a lime juice. We're just like gonna use half of it. We don't need to use all of like the whole thing. Okay? And then stir again. I can smell it now. Okay? So now let it just cook for about like 3 more minutes. And then we're gonna cover it again. I'm gonna transfer it. This stove. Ouch. I'm gonna check this off. Okay, so after 3 minutes again, our cilantro lime rice, it's cooked now. Smells so good. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.